Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into some really fascinating new tech that's pushing boundaries and making some incredible things more accessible. We've got a few different products to look at, covering everything from creative tools to home servers. Let's get started. First up, let's talk creativity, specifically printing. If you've ever tried to get vibrant, lasting colors or cool textures onto different objects, you know that traditional methods can be pretty limiting. Regular printers are great for paper, but not so much for, say, a custom phone case or a unique gift item. UV printing is the technology that lets you print millions of accurate colors directly onto a huge variety of materials, but until now, the machines have typically been huge, super expensive, and complicated to set up and use. That's where the UVMake E1 comes in. This is being called the world's first personal 3D texture UV printer. The key here is personal. They've engineered this for your desktop. It's designed to be significantly smaller, smarter, more affordable, and much easier to use than those traditional industrial UV printers. What does that mean for you? You can print in full spectrum, true colors that last, directly onto over 300 different types of materials. And it's not just flat prints, it can add 3D texture too. It's also got AI-powered features to help you out, and it's self-cleaning, making the whole process smoother. Whether you're looking to personalize gifts, start a side hustle selling custom items, or just want to unleash your creativity on different surfaces, the UVMake E1 is designed to make powerful UV printing accessible right from your home or workshop. Now let's pivot to something completely different: metalworking. When you think of working with metal, you probably picture big, complex, and expensive machinery, right? It's often seen as something that requires extensive knowledge and is really hard for beginners to get into. The Xtool Metal Fab is aiming to change that perception entirely. They describe it as metalworking made simple, and it's an all-in-one modular system that combines several key metal fabrication processes. We're talking laser welding, laser cutting, laser cleaning, and even CNC functions all in one device. This brings industrial-level precision into a more user-friendly package. It features industrial precision, a dual-camera system for easy setup and positioning, and user-friendly software. For welding, it even boasts 50% gas savings. The idea is to remove the jargon and frustration often associated with metalworking and make it as accessible and inspiring as something like woodworking has become. They even offer live demos and personalized one-on-one sessions with experts, so you can see exactly what it can do and how easy it is to use. Whether you're working on DIY projects or running a business, the Xtool Metal Fab is designed to cover all your metal fabrication needs in a seamless workflow. Okay, next up is a tiny gadget with a big impact, especially if you're into camping, hiking, or just anything that requires inflating things. Carrying a pump can add weight and bulk to your gear, and pumps with built-in batteries can die on you when you need them most. Say hello to the Giga Pump Air. This is marketed as the world's lightest 2-in-1 air pump, weighing an incredible 1 ounce, or just 28 grams. The really innovative part is that it doesn't have a built-in battery. Instead, it's designed to be powered by an external source, specifically anything with a 5V/3A output like a power bank, your smartphone, a solar panel, or even some outdoor lights or Bluetooth speakers. This gives you potentially unlimited runtime as long as you have a power source. And you don't need to worry about it draining your phone or power bank too quickly. It's incredibly power efficient, using only 40 mAh per minute of inflation. So a standard 10,000 mAh power bank can give you hours of use with plenty of charge left for your other devices. Despite its tiny size and low power consumption, it's powerful, with a high air pressure of 3.5 kilopascals. This helps inflate your gear, like air mattresses or pillows, to a firm state, providing better support and comfort. The tech behind it is actually inspired by aerospace engineering, using a high-efficiency airflow structure similar to what's found in jet engines to maximize pressure buildup in a tiny package. Now think about trying to take notes, or just have a private conversation or meeting in a noisy environment while using your favorite Bluetooth earphones. Most voice recorders aren't built to connect with Bluetooth headphones, and capturing clear audio, especially two-way conversations, can be a real pain with background noise, privacy concerns, and clunky setups. The HiDock P1 and P1 Mini are designed specifically for this modern problem. These are AI voice recorders that let you record effortlessly with your existing Bluetooth earphones. They are the first of their kind to offer this capability. They work with desktop computers, laptops, or smartphones. With their special BlueCatch technology, connecting your Bluetooth earphones is as simple as pressing a button, and the device seamlessly records clear two-way audio during meetings or calls. Press the button again to disconnect your earphones and use them normally. They emphasize that audio quality is crucial, not just for accurate transcription, but also for capturing the nuances like tone and pauses that make a recording truly useful. So, If you need a reliable way to record conversations or meetings discreetly and clearly in any environment while using your preferred earphones, the HiDock P1 or P1 Mini could be a game changer. Do you have an old tablet or phone tucked away in a drawer, just gathering dust? Most of us do. Instead of letting those devices go to waste, the iFrameX Pro offers a fantastic way to give them a second life. This app transforms almost any idle iOS or Android phone or tablet into a functional and beautiful digital display. You can turn it into a digital photo frame, a photo story display, show the weather, use it as a flip clock, a calendar or a newsreader. The Pro version is designed to work with a wide range of devices and includes an upgraded charging management system to help protect the batteries of older devices. But it goes beyond just displaying static information. When showing your photos, the iFrameX Pro uses a multimodal AI model to analyze the image and context, then pairs it with thematically appropriate text from sources you choose like lyrics, poetry, quotes, or even Bible verses. It displays the photos and text in various beautiful layouts, making your images feel like curated art in a gallery, transforming them into stories with deeper meaning. They've also built in a productivity feature by integrating with Apple and Google Calendar systems, so you can easily see your events synced directly on the display in an elegant calendar view. It's a brilliant way to repurpose old tech and add a stylish, personal touch to your home or office. Next up, we're looking at a unique approach to mental well-being and exploration. The Luminate Nova is a consciousness-shifting light mask. This isn't just a simple sleep mask with lights. It's a device developed through thousands of EEG brain scans by a company with over 1 million users of their existing Luminate app. The core idea is to use precise flickering light sequences, delivered through the LEDs onto your closed eyes, to gently synchronize your brainwaves, a phenomenon called neural entrainment. By guiding your brain activity with these specific light patterns, the Luminate Nova aims to effortlessly help you reach altered states of consciousness that are described as being between deep meditation and psychedelic experiences. This can lead to feelings of deep rest, relaxation, and kaleidoscopic visual insights, all without needing any substances or previous meditation experience. The experience is entirely in your control. The moment the light stops, your brain activity returns to normal, and you can adjust the intensity at any time. It's presented as an accessible and effortless way to explore your mind and potentially improve things like sleep. Finally, let's talk about building your own home server or network-attached storage, often referred to as NAS. Traditionally, these systems could be bulky, noisy, and require a bit of technical know-how to set up. The ZimaBoard 2 is a high-performance single-board server that aims to make this much more accessible and powerful. Following up on their successful first ZimaBoard, the ZimaBoard 2 packs a significant punch with a new Intel N150 processor that's up to 3 times faster than its predecessor and next-gen DDR5 memory, supporting up to 16 GB for lightning-fast multitasking. Despite its power, it retains the compact, palm-sized form factor and a fanless design, meaning it's completely silent. It can easily become your mini NAS just by connecting a cable and a drive. It comes with pre-installed Zima OS, which is designed to be an extremely friendly personal cloud experience. The ZimaBoard 2 also features upgraded connectivity with PCIe 3.0 and dual 2.5G Ethernet ports for greater hardware expansion and ultra-fast data transfer, plus a mini DP 1.4 interface for 4K video output. Beyond being a NAS, it's versatile enough to be used as a home server, software router, for running local AI applications, building clusters, and much more. It's designed for those who want the power and flexibility of self-hosting and building their own server solutions without the bulk and complexity of traditional hardware. So there you have it, a look at some really interesting and diverse tech products that are making powerful capabilities more personal and accessible. Which of these gadgets caught your eye the most? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful and interesting, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to share it with anyone you know who loves staying up to date with the latest innovations. Finally, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos diving into cool new tech like this. Thanks so much for watching.